Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer stick in the shade Belize. And I already have my eyebrows done because it just saves time. And then I'm going to go into the MAC Brown Script eyeshadow. It's just a nice brown I love using. I have a lot of backups to these. And I'm going to just put that brown on my transition area. And I'm using the Morphe brush to pack it on. And then I'm going to blend it with my BH Cosmetics brush. And then I'm going to take the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place and go into that dark brown and put it on my outer crease with the Morphe Packer brush. And I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to blend it, but instead of spreading it, I'm just going to tap it so the darkness doesn't go away. I'm just tapping it instead of brushing it. And then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Megaliner, which is a liquid eyeliner, and I love it because it's only $4. I'm going to line my eyes. I always use a straight edge because I like my liner super, super straight. I'm cleaning up my liner with some concealer on a brush and blending it out. And then I'm going to take these lashes that I got from AliExpress and put those on. I'll just place it on with tweezers and then I'll just move it around with my fingers. And then I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on top of the lashes. My face is already toned and moisturized, so I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Fix primer, which is amazing. I love this primer. I get it from Ulta. And then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I've been using this foundation for about 3 years now, and I don't really need full coverage foundation, so I love this foundation. And then I'm using my Morphe M444 buffer brush. And I have a brush for my foundation, and then I have a brush for my concealer. And then I'm taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade Belize. And I'm going to use another Morphe buffer brush and blend that in. And then I'm taking some Morphe setting powder and setting my under eye area, anywhere I put concealer. And I'm putting some black eyeliner in my waterline with some mascara. I always put makeup on my waterline because it really makes the eyes look different and like a real good dramatic effect. Then I'm taking the Laura Mercier powder in medium deep, and I'm just going to go over my face again and set everything. Then I'm going in the Glow Kit by their Sundipped Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into this shade right here and put on some highlight, just a real natural glow, because this is a real simple look. And then I'm lining my lips with some brown lip liner, and then I'm taking a Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, and it's called Nude, and I'm going to put that over the brown lip liner. And then I'm going to take the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist, and this stuff is amazing, and it's really popular, and it smells so good. Thank you for watching the video. This is the final look. I hope you all like this video. I hope you all are enjoying quarantine. I'm trying to. And yeah, just stay safe out there. Subscribe, like the video, and I will see you all next time.